Hello everyone, I am astrologer and tarot card reader Divya Lamba. Welcome to my channel. Today's reading is about near future. What is coming for you in coming times? It is a timeless journal reading, so it may or may not resonate with you. For personal readings, you can contact me on my Instagram ID or you can even email me. Also, let me know in the comment section below that you want these videos in Hindi or in English. So let's get started. This is pile number 1, Moonstone. This is pile number 2, Amethyst. And this is pile number 3, Rose Quartz. You can pause the video if you need a little more time to select your pile. So let's start with pile number 1. Hello everyone who chose pile number 1, Moonstone. This is your reading. So pile number 1. Currently, you might be feeling very emotionally overwhelmed. You have many emotions in your heart. Okay, there is many things that you want to speak, but currently you are not doing anything. Just being in these romantic feelings. It can be romantic. It can be normal. Okay, with friends or anything. Okay, but there are some feelings inside you which you should convey, because next card is of the World and 8 of Wands, which shows that in near future, okay, things are going to be very beautiful for you. Okay, a completion is there. That if you were holding yourself somewhere, okay, and communicating, so these things are going to, like, this resistance is going to go now. Okay, and you are not going to resist your feelings anymore. Okay, and even if there was some bad emotions in your past, okay, or currently, but yeah, soon this cycle is going to get completed. Okay, this cycle is going to get completed, and in near future you are going to communicate. Okay, and angel is advising you to be candid. Okay, whatever you want to communicate, whatever you want to speak, speak it clearly. Okay, don't let your words be misunderstood by other people. Okay, try to maintain harmony and try that no misunderstanding should be there. Okay, communicate, speak your truth or speak your emotions very carefully, making it sure that other person is understanding what you are trying to say. Fine. Next, there is Charion, your healing powers, empathy and ability to teach or learn remedies. So this is showing that you have the healing powers. Okay, you know how you can heal your situation. Okay, even if you want to say currently you are emotionally feeling something, okay, you are liking someone around you, so okay, you have that power, that empathy, okay, that will help you in taking your things further. Okay, so I do see a very beautiful near future for you. Communications and travels are there on the cards. Okay, if you are even thinking about or planning about traveling with your family or with your friends or even some near dear ones, so chances are there. Okay, and if you are, trip is on the card definitely with the World and the 8 of Wands. I see that you are going to have a great communications with people, or you may even go to a journey, to a vacation. Okay, but yeah, communication is strongly indicated by this card also, that Ganesha is also advising you to be very clear in your communication. So take the advice. Okay, and I wish you luck for your near future. Thank you. Hello, pile number 2, everyone who chose Amethyst stone. This is a reading for you. What is coming for you in near future? Let's see. We have second house. We have inner knowing. Four of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, and the High Priestess. So pile number 2, Currently there are chances as if you are trying to save money. Okay, somewhere you are trying to be very much secured. Okay, somewhere financially you want to be very secure, you don't want to spend unnecessarily currently. Okay, because you are trying to budget, okay, or manage your finances very correctly. Or in near future there can be someone, okay, someone near to you, someone very special to you can ask for financial help. Okay, and you yourself maybe can be a little stuck with finances and might feel what you should do. So if such situation arrives, so Ganesha is advising you to trust your inner knowing, trust your gut feeling. If you feel that you should help that person, you should definitely. If you feel that you should not, okay, then you should not help that person. Other than this, there can be some other scenarios as well, which is that you are, when it comes to emotions, okay, you have somewhere hold your heart very tightly. Okay, you are not being flexible with your emotions. Okay, you are being very much practical, and people around you are showing you love, showing you affection, but you are not ready to see that. Okay, but I will ask you to don't be so much rigid, don't be so much stuck, okay, with your heart. Trust your inner self. Okay, the high priestess is also someone who has great knowledge, okay, inner knowledge. So I would advise you to trust your inner self. Okay, whatever decision you have to make in near future, your gut feeling, okay, your inner self, your inner guidance is going to guide you perfectly for that. Okay, you know everything. Okay, inner knowing card is also here, so you know everything. Okay, whatever you are feeling, whether you have factual proof for that or not, but whatever you are feeling, it has, you know, some solid weightage in that. So you can trust yourself, you can trust your inner feelings. Okay, whether it's romantic situation, whether it's financial situation. Okay, other than that, I do feel that finances are going to improve for you. Okay, you, if you are trying to save money, definitely you will be able to save. Okay, so near future is quite good for you, but yes, definitely trust your inner self, trust what your gut feelings say, take decision on the basis of your gut feeling. Okay, so this is a journal quick reading for you. For personal readings you can contact me. Thank you. Hello everyone who chose pile number 3, rose quartz. Let's see what is coming for you in near future. 8th house, drive, Queen of Swords, 4 of Wands, and Page of Pentacles. So pile 3, I feel that currently you have become a very straightforward person. Okay, you are very straightforward. You are very much clear in your mind what you want from life, what you want from people around you. Okay, you have developed this nature. Okay, this was not easy. Okay, it was not easy. You have developed this nature hard time, and it is very much important for you to be this much clear, cutthroat. Okay, you even speak brutal truth because this is your achievement. Okay, you have came this way with lots of hurdle, with lots of personal transformation, and this is the thing which suits you best, to be clear and straightforward. Okay, and when it comes to relationship, I feel that in near future there are strong chances that you, if you are waiting for some marriage proposals, that is coming for you. If you are waiting for some family gatherings, okay, that is on the card. If you are thinking about buying a new house, okay, that is also signifying here. Okay, but most probably I feel that you are very much clear regarding what you expect from people, okay, or what you want from people or your life in near future. And definitely because you are now so much clear, universe is going to give you all that, all your expectations or all your, okay, all your dreams, wishes and desires are going to get fulfilled in near future, especially if it is regarding relationships. Okay, you you are going to, have the great relationship, because past was not easy for you, as I can see the eighth house. Okay, it is regarding personal transformation, and these transformations are not easy most of the times. And because of these transformation, because of these hard times, you have become this much clear, and because you are now that much clear, universe know exactly what you want, and universe is going to give you all your, hopes, wishes and desires. Drive is also here, which is also showing the same thing, that once you make any decision, just go with it. Okay, don't be very much back and forth, like should I do or should I not. Just make one decision, take your time, make one decision and move towards it. Okay, whatever it is, just move to your decision which you have made, and be very much sure. Okay, there is no reason for you to be indecisive. You are very much smart now, you are very much clear in your brain now, so there is no reason to be indecisive, or there is no reason to doubt your decisions. You are very good in your making your decision. Your experiences have taught you how to make the right decisions. Okay, and in near future you are, going to be very much clear regarding your future, and universe is going to grant you with your wishes when you are so much clear with what you want. Okay, so this is quick journal reading for you, pile number 3. For personal readings, you can contact me on my Instagram ID, or you can even email me. Thank you.